Hey Jeepers, I'm doing a quick review of the Rampage Fastback TrailView Soft Top. So you can see here, the Fastback is the rear slanted soft top, and the rear portion here is made to be all removable. So all this stuff can be removed if you like. It comes with rear plastic tinted windows, and the fastback portion just looks a little better and allows me to add the slanted tire carry, as you can see there. And this is a view of the portion of the top. Gives you access to the rear. One thing that is a little annoying is that you can't put anything directly back here because there's a bar here that prevents that, but you can still slide stuff into the back there quite easily. This top has been on here for about 2 years, and it looks pretty good after 2 years. You do notice there's a lot of white specks on here, and that's usually from, quite frankly, bird poop. But what I found is if you take a brush and some Gooby Gone, you can get those out quite nicely. And as you can see, I've done that many years over this top, and it still looks quite good. So here you can see we have the door surround kit. This plastic pieces right here that you'll have to purchase separately to install the soft top if you don't already have it. Mine came with the hard top, and so when I went to install the soft top, I had to buy this extra kit to be able to install it. Quick note, one of the things I love more than Jeeping is pickleball. And so, see my nice gearbox pickleball bag, and I just wanted to show you my nice gearbox pickleball paddle. And the reason I show you that is throughout our times we put little Easter eggs in our videos. One of the last ones we did is with the XJ fuel filter replacement. We put a little Easter egg in there that the XJ was a inline 6, was actually a V6, and then we gave away stuff for people who made comments. It's still funny, we're still getting comments now that people are saying, hey, you don't know what you're talking about, it's an inline 6, and that was purposefully done, but we still get those. So any of you that mention, well, the first two who mention that they love pickleball as well and gives me a fun fact about pickleball, I'll send you a free t-shirt that says follow me to pickleball, as a Jeep that sits on a pickleball. So again, the first two people who leave a fun fact about pickleball in the comments, I'll go ahead and send you that free t-shirt. So as you can see here, inside, this is where the top mounts, and just basically is held right there by this clamp here and the clamp over there, and you basically can easily open the top from inside the vehicle. I've even done it while driving very slowly. Just remove both clamps and gently push on the top and rock it forward, and you got instant access to the outside. Now I do have a cover that blocks a little bit of the sun, as you can see. So that's pretty easy to open that. Here is a view of the top open. Now what I like about this top is that it lays flat. The OE top, I've seen people drive around and it looks like somebody's driving a half clamshell on the top of their vehicle. This one lays flat and it looks really nice. Doesn't move even at high speeds. And here's a view of the top mounting portion. As you can see, it mounts nice to the top of the frame with everything that you need, except for the surround kit. That is extra, but everything you need to mount to that is there. And as you can see, it mounts and lays nice and flat. So that is the Fastback TrailView Soft Top. Nice soft top. Retails, I think, for around $765. The surround kit, if you don't have it, is another couple $100. But like I said, I've had this on for years and it has lasted and it still looks good. One thing I will mention is that in the back they have these plastic pieces in here that stiffen this back portion, and after time they will break, and mine have already broken, as you can kind of see there. I'm sure you can get spare ones from Rampage or whoever you buy the top from, but they are what mount into this back lip right here, so you do need them. So after a time you can see that that mounting piece comes loose. But other than that, solid top, and something I probably highly recommend if you want instant access to the sun. And as you can see here, you can see the little cover. That gives me just enough shade so the sun isn't beating down on my head. And there's a top view of our overhead storage console. You can see that in another video. Again, great soft top. Love it. This works real well. It's lasted real nice, and highly recommend it. If you like any of the other things you see on this Jeep, just check them out in the video. And if you have any comments or want to see different stuff that we haven't outlined on the Jeep, just give us a shout. Thanks, guys.